And he saw that the land had slavery.
waqala wakhumbula emva
And he remembered behind.
wathi ndiyawusuka ndiye
He
kubawo
said, I will just go to the Lord.
angakusakubiza njengonyana
He won't call me the son.
andithathe njengomqeshwa
He will take me as an employee.
kuphelile ukwakhe
The knowledge has
nento
abolished.
beyisiwe iphelile
And everything that was given has abolished.
solo lenkosi
Peace be with you.
silapha sibalekele indawo yosindiso
We are here, we ran from a place of salvation.
ekufanele uba sikhumbule
A place where we shall remember
uba besiyini kuqala
what we were,
namhlanje
and
siyintoni
what are we now.
niyazi ukuthi le nto ingumtyalibali
You know that the person forgets quickly.
yazi phaa sisakhula
You know, when we were growing up,
iimvula zinetha ngexesha elifanelekileyo
when the days were raining in the summers,
kwakukho iintaka phaa kuthi ebezisoloko zisondela ngasemanzini
there were birds that would come near to the waters.
ikhona intaka ibinesute brown
There was a bird who was very black and brown.
ibineentsibe ezibrown
It had brown feathers.
ebizibuka emanzini besiva ngootata nathi kodwa sathi sayibona
We were seeing them in the waters, and we had about our fathers.
ecantsi kwamanzi
When it was walking beside the water,
imanizibuka emanzini
it would look itself in the water.
ithi xa imayizibona
When it sees itself,
ithi ndimhle ngapha
I'm beautiful this side,
ndimhle nangapha
I'm beautiful also on the other side.
abanye bayayazi ootata lootata
So some fathers know that bird.
igama layo kuthiwa mthekwana
The name of them is
ithi
Tekwan.
ndimhle ngapha
It says I'm beautiful this side.
ndimhle nangapha
I'm also beautiful on the other side.
kodwa iphinde ibone ilungu eliba phaa kuyo
And then it sees another wrong
ivuse
structure, and then it reminds another
ithi yawubona
structure.
nomlomo
And when it sees its mouth,
ithi ndoliwa yile ndawo
I don't like this place.
ngoba ithi sawujonga phamandla
When it looks in the water,
ibone uba le nto esi simo similise okomkholo wam
and this thing is like an
isikholo
arrow,
esinobungozi
a very dangerous feather.
nathi sibahle
Even us, we are beautiful,
ngapha nangapha
this side and the other
kodwa
side.
ke thina soniwa yile ndawo
And then the heart is the destroyer. The enemy of the person is the heart. We are beautiful,
kodwa ngenxa yentliziyo
but because of the heart,
singakudela obu buhle
we will really look down on
sonke
this beauty
kwaphalaphala
and look back to Palapal.
kolo lenkosi
Peace be with you.
uthi ke le ntaka nayo
And this
yayikhomba
man,
ukuba
and this bird,
ikhona ilungu elirongo apha
it
kuyo
was showing that there was a very wrong organ
nathi
within it.
silungisiwe saba bahle
Even us, we are
kodwa
beautiful,
nalo ilungu elirongo
but we have an organ that is faulty, that is the heart.
ngoba ingahlanza ihlanjwe wenziwe yonke into
Because you can be cleansed and
kodwa
really
inhliziyo
smell
ayibonkonze
nice,
oko
but that does not matter.
yasuke ikudele
And then it will just look down on
ilibala
you
uba yenziwe ntle
and
umzimba
forget that it was made beautiful by your body.
ikhupha apho kuloo ndawo
And it takes you out of that place
ikuthumele kwilizwe lomkhobo
and sends you back to the land of
Ukuthaba lomntu
slavery.
yintliziyo
The enemy of the person is the heart.
amavuka nzimba therapy
They say get all the body and get left behind the heart and live and live. Telling stories. You know the heart when you are very poor, when you are poor, and I was living so well. And you forget that is the one that left you that nice place. Peace be with you. I will give our father Chabalala. We'll take a chorus.
kodwa ke ngumculo